Judoquinhas!
Judo. Judo is a style of fighting that originated in Japan and was created by the young teacher Jigoro Kano. He said he suffered bullying in school. Because of that, he had the idea of learning how to fight to defend himself. Jigoro Kano studied a lot. He trained and experimented with several techniques. Due to his studies, he found out that the practice of that fight could be a means for the improvement of the individual. So he created Judo. The first Judo school was opened in 1882 at the Eishoji Temple. He named his school Kodokan, which means the Institute of the Path to Fraternity. Jigoro Kano was an educator. After his daily work, he would go back to Kodokan to teach Judo to his few students. Judo started gaining popularity after his participation in the respected competition of the Tokyo Police. After that, Jigoro Kano started traveling all over the world to present the benefits of Judo. And his school has never stopped growing. The word Judo means sweet path. The place of the practice of Judo is called dojo. The Judo teacher is called sensei, which means teacher in Japanese. The mat or rug where people train Judo is called tatami, and is used so that judokas do not get hurt during the trainings. Judo is a fight style, but the judoka does not learn strikes to practice violence. In Judo fights, competitors are not enemies. On the contrary, one helps the other to improve. All of them together fight for peace and to build a better world, being friends inside and outside the tatami. Judo is also practiced as a combat sport in trainings and competitions. The teacher Jigoro Kano emphasized that his greatest goal was the strengthening of the body, mind, and spirit. One of the most renowned pieces of wisdom in Judo is the principle to give in to win, through which we can learn with the slightest effort if we use non-resistance, just like a willow tree that does not resist the snow on its branches. On the contrary, it gives in, and this way, after the blizzard, it remains strong and unharmed. Judo is a present from Japan to the world. I love Judo. Judo is a lifestyle, and Judo is for the rest of your life. So share it with your friends. Like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. See you at the next video, Judoquinhas, and a judoka hug to you. Bye.
Subscribe to the channel!